Hey you, it's welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie B. LV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. Just this ho! How are you all? Hopefully you've had a wonderful weekend. I didn't have a bad one. I can't say a bad thing about it. So yeah, it was a good weekend. Listen, I bought a couple things. Nothing big, nothing major. Just a couple little things that I got. One that you're going to be like, is she tripping? Yup. As usual, I am. Let's see here. Something to tell you. I do have a story. I actually told my best friend this story today, and then I thought, Cinder effing Rella, I'll just tell you guys, right? So, back in junior high, we had a junior high system that had two schools. You know, now it's what? Like 5th, 6th, 7th, or something like that. And then it goes to high school, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. But ours went 7 through 9. 7, 8th, and 9th. And we had one campus with two different schools, right? Anyway, different halls, I'll call it that. But they were separated by a middle common building, okay? And the lunchroom and stuff. So anyway, that's neither here nor there. So I was in band. I know. Y'all are like, you were a band geek? I was. This must have been 7th. I want to say this was 7th, maybe 8th grade, but right around in there. So what? What was I, like 13? I was just a teenager. I was boy crazy. Surprised? Yeah, I was a little too boy crazy, but we were going on a band trip. And I wanted to hold hands. I probably wanted to make out. Truth be known, I wanted to make out with this boy. Eric, I think his name was. I don't even remember. I was trying to think of it. You know, I mean, it's been a long time. It's been 85 years, girl. But anyway, I remember wanting to, you know how you're getting ready. We were going on a bus. The two bands were going together because we were separated, by schools. So we were going on the same bus. That was kind of a treat because, you always saw the same crowd, but this was different. These were new kids, So, I really wanted to, be girlfriends with this one boy. So we were sort of talking, meaning I was being really aggressive and coming on to him. And he was like, oh God, this bitch. So I had planned when we went on this band trip to sit in the back seat and make out with him, right? Smoochy face. Wasn't meant to be. He didn't dig me. Surprise. But apparently he and another girl were talking together, and this girl had gone into one of those photo booths. I don't know if you kids remember this, but before you had a camera phone, you had to actually take pictures with a camera, or you had to get in one of these little photo booths. You pulled the thing. You guys have seen it. It's kind of a novelty thing now. Well, anyway, she did that, and she had lifted her shirt, and I know, it's crazy, but she had taken a picture of, like, her in a bra, and given them to my boyfriend. Now, unbeknownst to me, I just thought, now this bitch knows that I like him, and she's moving in on me, and I'm going to get mad about it. I'm going to be a real, what. So, I wanted to confront her, because I was like, you're not taking my man, Jolene. So anyway, outside of the band room one day, now, you have to know, I came on like a mean ass redneck. But inside, I was this very scared of my shadow chicken girl. I was afraid of everything and everyone. I cried all the time. I hid in the bathroom and cried. I was that scared. But if you met me back then, you would say, God, she's mean. I'm not going to mess with her, because I kept up this gruff exterior, right? Okay. Just giving you some backstory. So I decided that I was going to confront this girl outside of band 5th period one day, and I was really going to give her what for, and I was going to be my mean self and scare the crap out of her. Okay? She was like 6 foot tall. I'm 5, at the time, probably 5'2". I don't know. I was tiny. But she was big, tall, skinny, beautiful girl. And so I remember pulling the door open and waiting for her, and she came out, and I said, whatever her name, I have no idea who it is now. I remember having to look up at her, and I said, "How dare you try to steal my boyfriend? I'll kick your ass." I mean, I'm looking up at her. This is what she did. She looked down at me and she said, "Bitch, if you feel froggy, then jump." Now, girl, I was like, wait. I was like, "Oh, I will. I'll climb up there and kick your butt." She looked down at me again and she said, "Okay, bitch." And I said, "Call me bitch one more time." And she politely looked down at me and went, "Bitch." I said, "Okay, just one more time." And then, of course, I ran like a scalded dog because I was pretty much getting ready to get beat down right there. So that is just one of the fun childhood memories that I have. I do remember hiding from a girl in the 7th grade almost the entire year because she said in no uncertain terms one time that she was just going to whoop my ass if she ever caught me out. So I do remember hiding every single day of 7th grade until the very end. And I think I was laying out of school one day and she came in the bathroom where I was laying out and said, "Hey, you want to hang out?" And I was like, "Sure." And then we became friends for a minute. So, neither here nor there. Let's get on to the video. I'm just rambling now. What the F? I did some online. I went to a live thing on Facebook where this girl sells look-alike bags, and I bought this. Does it look like the Game On thing? Yeah, I really wanted something from Game On. Remember me talking about that? Like, I'm really going to save my dollars, and I'm going to get... I did not get anything from the Game On collection. I really, really wanted something. I really kind of wanted this black bag. Turns out, guess what? They did not even make this in the Speedy, in the black print. I think they made it in the Neverfull, in the Vanity, several other bags, but they did not specifically make the Speedy 25 or 30 in the black print. But, and I didn't even know that they weren't going to. I bought this bag 2 or 3 weeks before. I've had it for a little while, before they even released the Game On collection. But I had to ask my friend Jessie. I'll link Jessie's info down below because Jessie has a good channel and she bought some Game On and they are so great. Her pieces are great. But I had to ask her the other day, like, what happened to the black one? And she said they just didn't come out with it. So anyway, I bought this really, really rough bootleg of that bag or look-alike or what have you. Since they didn't really make the bag, this is not like a rep per se. I don't guess. It's just a tribute. I guess the people that make the bootleg stuff thought, you know, they're coming out with a bag. Let's make a bunch. But I think on the actual bag, weren't the sides blue and they had something, I don't know. But this is not an actual, like, oh, let's make an exact looking bag, mirror look-alike of it. They did not do that. I mean, even the tabs are wrong. But I like the print so much, and I knew I wasn't going to be able to buy any of the pieces. I didn't even pursue it with any essay online. I didn't, you know, I just knew we weren't going there. But I bought this the other day. I paid $70 for it. I mean, for a bag that, you know, giving tribute to the Louis Vuitton Game On bag. You know, I feel like that's money well spent. I haven't actually carried it. I will someday probably, but I just thought this is the closest I'm probably going to get to that. Now, if I come in here in the next couple of weeks with a piece, don't be mad at me. Mommy just saved enough money, and I was really saving. I was totally saving for this actual bag. And not that they didn't, the reason that they didn't you know, the reason I didn't buy anything is not because they didn't come out with this. It's just because I didn't, every time I would save enough money, I would buy something else. So I really didn't put back enough to get any of the Game On pieces. But if you did, I love watching your guys' videos. Those people that post them, pictures, I love seeing it. People are racking up online. I go on the different Facebook LV sites and I notice that, you know, people are marking them up a little bit and making some money on them. So they are a hot commodity right now. So if you were able to get your hands on one, kudos. Put down in the comments what you got. I love to hear all about it. I want to live vicariously through you. So Yoda and Autumn, yes. We always keep, I think we told you this, but we always keep, and Gwenny too, we keep a conversation going. And the other day, it's been a few weeks ago, Autumn, she is, God, she's good at finding bargains. I mean, she knows when there's a sale. She knows when you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. No, she knows, and she will let us know, like, so-and-so's having a huge sale, and here's also a coupon code. So I love her for that, because that's how I got this little Rebecca Minkoff bag, and she bought one too. I think she's already unboxed hers on her videos on her channel, but I bought this one. I've already taken it out of the box and looked at it, but I thought I would put the, yeah, they come pretty well wrapped in a box with a little tissue and tissue. But I had looked at this before and it was over $100 and I got it for like $54. Yeah, and on Afterpay, just a few bucks a week, every 2 weeks. Afterpay is going to put me in the poorhouse. But anyway, it comes nicely wrapped. I will have to put what this bag is down below, because I'll have to put it on the screen because I don't remember even what it's called. I'm a bad mommy today. I have no idea. But it is a tiny bag, as you know. It is my passion. I'm going to, look how cute. I'm going to unwrap everything and I'll fast forward so you don't have to endure that. Okay, ta-da! And she's back. I love the little chain detail. I don't know what it is about Rebecca Minkoff bags, but they do the chains right. They are good at that. It's got your little simple turn lock on the front. I don't think this is just for decoration, but I am going to carry it as a decoration on the front. But I guess this is also a little top handle if you wanted to take off your strap, but I'm going to adjust this strap and do a little crossbody action with it. I have on a terrible shirt today, so I doubt I will show you any mod shots. I know. If only Gwenny lived closer, I'd make her do it, because her mod shots are c'est magnifique. But anyhow, inside the little tiny bag, it's totally cute. I love this blue. It's got a tiny little... little dust bag for your bag. All of the stuff that comes with it, the cards, you know, the price tag. I was going to see what this was called. The color is Marina, if you know, want to know. But I will, I'm sure you've already seen it down below what this bag is called, because I have no idea. But yeah, it's got three little, let me just show you. Looks like something's in there. Is it that silica? It's that silica pack. It's got three little card slots right here. That's cute. So it's a glorified card holder, really, guys. The little card slots there. I love that. I love it. And if you wanted to, like I said, use just the little chain. Now, the chain doesn't come off. She stays. So if you don't want to put up with the chain, shove it inside, and, you know, then you've got this detail here. I guess if you wanted to take that off and even just clutch this bag, you could. But I just thought this was super cute. Will your phone and stuff fit in it? Mm-mm. No, ma'am, but it's still very, very adorable. It's got the little Rebecca Minkoff stamped in silver. The hardware is silver as well. It does have a functional pocket back here, which I love about her bag. She does think of every detail. The leather is smooth. Ooh, it smells amazing. But I just thought I would show you this little bag today. It looks like it's got a little, it kind of looks like a little lock there, but it's adorable. What do you guys think? And for the price, it was on sale, plus I got another like 10 or 20% off thanks to Autumn. So yes, girl, when she links stuff and shows you stuff and puts the little things down below, get on that. That's no joke. Saving money, ding, big thumbs up on that, honey. But yeah, I keep wanting to turn that the wrong way. I think I like the little chain out. Ooh, girl, I like to rock out with my chain out. You know what I mean? So yeah. And if you wanted to carry it that way, you could. Let's see how it looks without the little doodads on there, girl. Okay. Yes. I don't know who could get that, but you could get it here. You could, you know, you could carry it this way, but it's so cute. And as you all know, I'm having grandbabies, first of 2021, and one of them is a girl. So even if I don't carry my little tiny bags, I know somebody that will. My little precious grandbabies, hon. But I do like the crossbody on this. I guess it's adjustable pretty. I'm gonna have to figure that out, yeah. Oh yeah, it does go down a few more notches. That's what she said. So yes, honey, yes. So those are my newest treasures. Hope you guys stay safe and have yourself a great rest of the week. I won't be back till the end of the week. I do have a Coach unboxing. I haven't gotten it in yet, or I would have showed it to you today, but I have a Coach unboxing and comparison with Louis Vuitton, because Louis Vuitton and Coach sort of did something the same on what I have coming in, so we will discuss that. I don't know, long about Thursday, Friday. Hey, if I'm feeling rough, it might even be Saturday. Oh, the commitments. But listen, have a great day. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for buying stuff on my vlog sale. I sold a couple of items. I still have all the bags left, so I will post a link in the description and overhead somewhere a couple times during this video if you want to click over and see that video. And I still have all of the handbags left and backpacks. I sold the 2 SLGs is all. So if you are into any of my vlog sale and we can talk about it, honey, just email me at winnieblv@gmail.com. There we go. Give an old lady a minute. She's trying. Have yourself a great day. Hit the like button and subscribe and comment down below. Love to see what you guys have to say. See you guys later. And remember, y'all, if y'all see my husband, though, don't tell him nothing. Bye. My friend has, my BFF has one of those succulent gardens, you know. Everybody's into that now. Even my daughter, she's into the succulent gardens. She's bought tons. She probably has 200, and she always tells me the names of them and all that stuff. And today we were FaceTiming, as we do every day, and she was showing me her succulents, you know. I tried to show her mine. No, I'm kidding. That's some other guy. But she said she picked up this whole tray of, like, just an assorted bunch that was just laying, it looked like, on top of the dirt. And she was like, yeah, girl, I'm trying to get these little ones to root. And I was like, girl, I would love to have a root myself. Yeah. It's so nasty. Yes. This stuff from Dior, this lip shine, it has taste. Like, I have zero taste, as y'all can see. But this stuff really does taste.